No, I was on the road in this blouse. Look at the blouse. This blouse. And I want to know what you guys think. Right, so I was on the road and this young fellow, I guess he was in his, maybe in his 30s, 40s, right? He felt he needed to say something to me about this blouse. So he was saying, asking me if I'm not afraid. What I'm saying? You're not afraid some young boy thief them nipple there. Which I look upon them and say, what? So, you're not afraid some young boy thief them nipple there. Which don't even make sense, right? It don't even make any goddamn sense. So him say them young boy are out here crazy, you know. Which is true. That is quite true. A lot of men on the road, wherever, not just on the road, a lot of men they are crazy. And there's just no other way to put it. They have no intention of having any kind of control over their so-called natural urges, their so-called natural inclinations, right? They have no intention of controlling that. They feel that if they see a woman on the road, whether she's fully clothed or she's half naked, that, to me, I don't think it really matters. They think they have the right to approach and to comment and to pursue, right? Me personally, I don't like bras. Okay, I don't like bras. I find them uncomfortable, they're restrictive, they're just not, I hardly wear bras. You know, like if I'm, depending on the clothes I have on, if it's, and the effect you want, because I mean, they do add some support and they do add some oomph when you need it, but I don't think it's always necessary, and I should be able to be on the road. Let me know what you guys think. Road in my blouse. It's summer. You see, I'm sweating now. I'm on the roof. I'm on my roof. And I'm sweating. It's in the middle of summer. It's July. I live in the tropics. I should be able to put on my blouse and walk on the road without somebody feeling that they have to warn me to be careful and mind they snatch me away because my nipples are showing. Now, I understand, and I always say, women, when you think about the things that you can and can't do, if you make a decision to do it, you can't make that decision in a bubble. You have to understand the limitations of your surroundings and the people, the mentality of the people in your surroundings. So if you feel like you have a right to walk naked, right, you have to take into consideration, well, it might be against the law. That's one. Two, the persons who are observing you might not be able to control themselves. So if you decide to do it, you have to bear in mind there might be repercussions to that. Are you prepared to fend off these people? Are you prepared to whatever, right? Whatever decisions you make, you can't just make them and say, well, I have the right to do it. I feel like I should do it. You have to consider what other people are thinking and the limitations of their brain and their mentality, and be willing then, if need be, to counteract that, right? So for that reason, I don't go parading naked. because as much as I feel I should be able to do it, the law says I shouldn't, and the perverts, I'm not prepared to put up a fight against the perverts. But nudity is one thing, but look, I'm in my blouse. I'm in my blouse. I decided not to wear a bra. Why should I be bombarded by, well, maybe bombarded isn't the right word, but I don't even want nobody to feel like they need to comment, or why? Is it that our men are so helpless and hapless and having no control, no discipline, where you can see a woman in a blouse and she don't have on a bra, and that going to trigger you? That's really where it's at. That's really where it's at. Men are not put under this kind of pressure. If he felt like parading with his shirt off, nobody wouldn't harass him. So why can't I have that privilege to go on the road in the middle of summer in the tropics? I'm a tropical girl. I live on a tropical island. It's hot. I'm dripping in sweat. As I say, I'm 2 stories off the ground right now, and I'm sweating. Right, 2 stories off the ground. Come on, guys, you have to come under some control. That's what social living is all about. That's what civilization is all about. We're not out in the wild anymore. So we have to learn ways of behaving, conducting ourselves, and respecting other people's privacy and other people's rights to exist in this social setting. Okay? So guys, I'm begging you, do better. Do better. Put your loins under more control so that we women can be a little more free to exist and to enjoy life. Okay?